How to fix Instagram could not load activity error on iPhone. Let's get started. First up, check your internet status. For that, launch your settings and navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks. If you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. Restart the Instagram app. First up, launch your Instagram app. Now swipe down from the bottom of your screen. Then swipe the Instagram app away. After you do that, again launch it. With that, your problem might be fixed. Next up, update the Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check for iOS update. Close this, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store, search for the app Instagram, and then download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.